guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a new build going down in the shop. So you've seen this truck before on the channel on the XF off-roads. Now it's getting upgrades, a bigger lift, bigger Amani forged wheels. It's going down. So today the guys are installing an 8-inch BDS kit, and it is getting 26x16 Amani forged Miras and 40-inch tires. So, side note, some of you have been asking. Yes, Vega is pregnant. Oh, very pregnant. But we don't know who the dad is because there was an accident. And we're pretty sure it was Cap's mutt dog Goose. If only it could be Gunner. But it's not. So, we're gonna have puppies soon. We'll see how that goes. Poor Veggie. You got the puppies in there? She's got 8 puppies in there to be exact. Oh, Veggie.